Created and founded by Dr. Tina O'Neill, Sacred Educational Conversations is a personalized online educational platform that offers a variety of services for parents. Dr. Tina O'Neill serves as an educational consultant, researcher, and scholar with over 15 years of experience in teaching. She is a wife and a mother of 4 and prides herself on empowering parents with the necessary tools to help their children thrive in academic and social environments. Through her one-to-one consulting, workshops, and online e-courses, parents are being equipped with the interventions and proven strategies to get and keep their children on track as they journey out into the world daily. To learn more about Sacred Educational Conversations, services, and e-course information, log on to drtinao'neill.com or contact her at sacrededucationalconversations@gmail.com.